There's our room. There's our boarding, our cards. All right, here we go. Here's our little room. Let me help Robin. Hang on. There we go. Okay, here is our gold card. Yay! And we have the sticker on there indicating the Havana Cabanas. All right, so here is the room. You saw it briefly as we walked in. So here is the front door. In fact, I gotta stick my key card in because we are going to lose light. There's the front door. Here's the bathroom. Wow. Oh, look. Fancy stuff. Nice, okay. Nice big shower. Okay. There we go. And there is a little storage. That's your waste bin. A little bit of storage under there for your towels and your things like that. Okay. Yeah. They're pretty good. I mean, it's not sticky or anything. It's nice. Here's another closet. And then here should be the safe. Oh, drawers. Nice. All right. Okay. And then here is the refrigerator. Maybe. There we go. Just a little mini fridge. Yes, we're going to slide those sodas we brought on board with us in there. Ooh, that chair's a little dirty. We'll put a towel down if we're going to sit there. Hair dryer. Let's see. That won't dry my hair, but if you have regular hair, it probably will. But my hair is very, very thick. Very, very thick. This light, there's a light on the inside of the mirror here, which I didn't notice before. And there's 2 plugs and 2 USB chargers. Nice. There's your internet or TV or something. Nice. And there's your international. All right, let's come around here. King size bed. For the lights for outside. Keep door closed. Okay, push the button on the wall, turn the handle, open the door. Okay, push the button on the wall, turn the handle, open the door. Open the door! 3rd time's a charm, right? And here's our little, I would sit in that, but that's wet, so I don't want to get a wet rear.